Okay, hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Santosh from Rajajinagar QSpiders here, and I have one student, and she got placed in one company, and she'll be sharing her experience in the QSpider as well as in the interview also.
So good afternoon everyone. My name is Anisha and I am from Kalburgi. I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication. So coming to my interview, I had been an interview in the Friday. So they asked me, first round was technical apti. So second round they asked me scenario questions based on automation. So it is an automation role. Completely they asked scenario based questions and they focused on SQL also. So in SQL they mainly focused on joins, and they asked me how to handle the drop downs and how to handle the disabled elements and how to handle the pop-ups and the POM page they asked me, and they asked Java programs, logical programs as bubble sort and linear search they asked me, and scenario based questions they asked me on the automation. So this is all about my interview.
Okay, congratulations.